What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I just wanted to show you how you can download different fonts for your Samsung smartphone. So I'm currently using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So all you would need to do is just go into your, let me clear this out, go into your settings app. Once you're in your settings app, then you want to type in fonts. So once you type in fonts, you want to go to where it says fonts and styles. Once you click on fonts and styles, then you want to go to where it says font style. I'm currently using the Choco Cookie, but you can come through here and change the font to whatever you want to change it to. But you also can come in here and hit download fonts, and it gives you a slew of different fonts that you can download and use on your Samsung smartphone. So there's free ones and there's ones that you can pay for. Right now, let's go and type in free. And if you don't see any free ones, you just scroll. Let's see here. I may buy one. Okay, so here go one right here. It says it's free. So all you want to do is download it if you do not want to buy one. But you can come in here and buy as many fonts as you want and install them on your Samsung smartphone. Okay, here go another free one. Let's download that one. Download and install. So right now it's currently installing. And that's another reason why I like Samsung smartphones, because it gives you the choice to change your font. You may not want to use the born font that comes with the device. So once you come in here and you find every font that you want to install, you can also go to the Google Play Store, I believe, and install different kind of fonts. Yeah, you can also come to the Google Play Store, not just the Samsung store. You can also come to the Google Play Store and install different kind of fonts that you would want to use on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or whatever Samsung smartphone you have. You can come here and then download any kind of font, but we're going to go back to the fonts, that those two fonts that I installed. And as you can see, they will pop up down at the bottom, and you will just click on them, and as you can see, it will change the font. Not only does it change the font in your settings app, you can also back out of this, and when you go to your Google search bar, it'll change the font there also. The only thing it will not do, it won't change the font of your keyboard unless you are currently running on Samsung's keyboard, and right now I'm using I'm using Gboard, so it's not going to change the font there, but it does change the fonts throughout your device. We can go back into here and click on another one, so it'll just change the fonts, and I really like that. It's really a nice touch to have access to where I can get in here and change up my fonts to where I want it. It even works with X, the fonts on X, so you can come in here and change your fonts, and as you can see, the font has been changed. But like I said, if you are currently using if you are using the Gboard, it's not going to change the letters, the font on Gboard. But if you are using the Samsung messaging keyboard, it will change the font. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.